Now children, I am coming to next content, discussion of next content, which is based on preparation of some salts. So first of all, I am starting from source of sodium, right? Preparation of salts. First is baking soda. What is baking soda? Sodium, hydrogen, carbonate. Right? Baking soda is commercial name. Chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate and molecular formula is NaHCO3. Now, preparation of baking soda by solvase method. When brine is added, brine it means saturated solution. Brine is added into aqueous solution of ammonia and carbon dioxide. Then what is obtained? Two different salts. First is NH4Ca and second is NaHCO3. And this is partially soluble. What happens? Remains in undissolved state. Now second is separation. Separation of NaHCO3. Now this is balanced reaction. This one is baking soda. Right? Now study of properties of baking soda. First, physical properties. Physical, based on appearance, observation only, without use of any chemical. What is its color? White and solid. Now, chemical property, which are based on chemical reactions. You know, children, when baking soda reacts with acid, what is observed? Brisk effervescence of CO2 gas and formation of salt, which is sodium chloride plus water, right? Now, the working application of this chemical property also, this is used, baking soda is used in soda acid fire extinguishing. Second is common salt. What is common salt? Which we use in our daily diet? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is also known as rock salt. Right? Simple source, common source of sodium chloride is seawater. Simple method. Seawater. And what happens? Evaporation. And what is obtained? Saturated solution of NaCl. Then refining is done. By refining, what is obtained? Pure sodium chloride. Right? So this is outline for preparation of common salt from seawater. And you know, laboratory method is by reaction between HCl and sodium hydroxide. What is obtained? NaCl is obtained. But this is commercial method, industrial method. Now, common property, you are well familiar with the salt, white in color, solid physical state, soluble in water. Right? Its nature is neutral. Okay, children? Now, next one is a washing soda. Commercial name is washing soda. and chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. So this topic is also equally important for this objective types of question. What is chemical name of this one, chemical formula of this salt, and commercial name also. Prepare this topic in this manner. Now, from baking soda. Okay, children. Here raw material is baking soda. What happens? Baking soda on thermal decomposition. There are different types of decomposition reactions. One is thermal decomposition. When heating is done, then what happens? Formation of anhydrous sodium carbonate. Anhydrous means without water plus H2O and CO2. Okay, children. So this is anhydrous, which is also known as soda ash. But our purpose is preparation of washing soda, that 10 molecules of water are attached, right? Decahydrate. Deca means 10, hydrate means water. Now, second is water of crystallization. Now, reaction of anhydrous sodium carbonate with 10 molecules of water, then what is obtained? Hydrated form of sodium carbonate. And how many molecules are attached? Exactly 10 molecules. This is washing soda. Why this soda or sodium compound is also known as washing soda? Because this is used in soap and detergent industry. This part is additional. Properties, children, physical properties. What is white? Any sodium salt is white in color and solid in physical state. Any sodium, easy to learn, and soluble in water. H2O, water. Okay, children? Now, chemical properties. When any carbonate reacts with acid, it gives brisk effervescence of carbon dioxide gas. Reaction with acid. And washing soda reacts with acid, the liberation of carbon dioxide. This is neutralization reaction and formation of salt and water. Okay, children, so what is unique property? Liberation of CO2 gas. This is important property. Now last sodium compound is caustic soda. I am starting from common names, commercial names. caustic. It causes burning sensation. What name? What is common name? Caustic. Formula is NaOH and chemical name is sodium hydroxide. Right? Now, preparation of sodium hydroxide is based on electrolysis of brine. Okay, children. Two important terms: electrolysis. It means when electricity is supplied. What is required? Electricity. And second is brine. Brine, it means saturated solution of NaCl. Saturated solution of NaCl. Saturated, you know, when no more solute is dissolved. Okay, children. Now, which raw materials principle is electrolysis, right? And children, for electrolysis in electrolytic cell, what is required? Arrangement of electrodes, right? Two products are obtained at two different electrodes. Okay, now children, this is balanced equation now. So for this type of process, what is required? Cell is required, which is known as electrolytic cell. This type of arrangement is required. Okay, children, very important device for electrolysis. What is required? Electrolytic cell is required. Now, brief description of this electrolytic process. Now, what is required? Container, which is known as voltmeter. Two electrodes are required. One is anode, which is positively charged. Second is cathode, which is negatively charged. What is taken in this cell? Saturated solution of NaCl. Then this is the source of electricity. When electricity is supplied, then what happens? This chemical reaction occurs, right? This chlorine is negatively charged gas, which is obtained at anode, and hydrogen positively charged, which is obtained at cathode, and sodium hydroxide is obtained near the cathode, right? So three questions are very, very important. Liberation of gases at two different electrodes and formation of sodium hydroxide at near the cathode. Okay. Now, very important question. Based on this method, what is chlor-alkali process? Chlor is coming from chlorine, and alkali, it means alkaline solution, right? This electrolysis is also known as chlor-alkali process. Three important uses, children. Bleaching powder. What is bleaching powder? CaOCl2, right? This bleaching powder is obtained from chlorine gas. When chlorine gas reacts with the lime water, what is lime water? Calcium hydroxide, then formation of CaOCl2, right? Bleaching, because this is used as bleaching agent. Bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, is used as bleaching agent, right? For chlorination process, this means reaction of any chemical with chlorine is known as chlorination. Now, second, use of hydrogen for hydrogenation. What do you mean by hydrogen? hydrogenation, reaction with hydrogen, right? Hydrogen fuels, there are different types of cells. Electrochemical cell, electrolytic cell, third one is hydrogen fuel cell. When hydrogen is taken with oxygen, then what happens? When hydrogen gas is taken with oxygen, this device acts as fuel cell, right? Because this is used as fuel and device acts as cell. And what is the main process? Reaction between hydrogen and oxygen and formation of water and heat. This heat is directly converted into electricity, right? Each product is useful. You know, this is main product and chlorine is byproduct, but byproduct is also, each byproduct is useful. Now children, last content of this chapter is preparation of calcium compounds. First is bleaching powder. As you know, bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. Now preparation: lime water reacts with chlorine gas, then formation of calcium oxychloride plus water. Right? Pure bleaching powder is always yellow in color. Yellowish color powder. This is solid substance. Now use, this is used as bleaching agent. Now second, calcium compound is gypsum. And what is the gypsum? Calcium sulfate dihydrate. Dihydrate means two water molecules, right? You are well familiar with this part. Calcium sulfate, this is dihydrate. Now, preparation of gypsum from plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. What is plaster of Paris? CaSO4 half H2O. Okay children, this is calcium sulfate. Half molecule is attached. So this is calcium sulfate, hemihydrate. Hemi means half. Now preparation of this gypsum from POP. What is related reaction equation? Gypsum. Physical properties are common. Any calcium compound is white in color except a bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is yellowish color solid. This one is white color solid, soluble in water. Okay children. Now last one is a POP, plaster of Paris. Preparation of POP from gypsum. Then controlled heating is done at 373 Kelvin temperature. Then gypsum is POP, controlled heating. Right? This is called controlled heating. If heating is done at a high temperature, anhydrous calcium sulfate is obtained, which is also known as dead burn plaster. Okay children, all compounds, preparation of all compounds correlated each other. Now common property, white color solid and soluble in water. And one important medicinal property, use of this POP, the field of medical science, for joining of cracked bones, because this shows certain property. When POP reacts with water, it shows certain property, right? So this provides supports. Okay children, for the joining of bones. Thank you children.